reasons I chose Brown's MPA program is the consultancy, which gives students the chance to work at a policy organization aligned with their interests.
For my consultancy, I worked at Human Rights Watch in Washington, D.C. I initiated their research on human rights violation by Boko Haram in northern Cameroon.
During my consultancy, I worked at the Federal Communications Commission in Washington, D.C. I used skills from the MPA policy implementation course to evaluate legislation and regulation pertaining to the Lifeline cell phone program.
I continue to use these skills at Booz Allen Hamilton, a management consulting firm in Washington, D.C. My time at Brown facilitated working at the intersection of policy and management, which I love.
Currently, I'm the Deputy Press Secretary for the Senate Committee on Energy and Natural Resources. Environmental policy is my passion, and it's incredibly rewarding to advocate for cutting-edge, clean energy policies and the preservation of public spaces.
I feel very fortunate to be able to combine my love for public policy and management, and my year at Brown equipped me with the skills and professionalism I'm putting into practice today.